I'm going to show you how to remove fingernail polish. Okay, what you're going to need is a few Q-tips. As you can see here, that I just grabbed a few, and so just a handful, and put some on. And you're going to need whatever color of fingernail polish you want, and fingernail polish remover. So what I do is, I'm not going to use all of it, but I pour some fingernail polish remover in the cap, and I take a Q-tip and dab it in there, and then go to clean my nail. With some nail polishes, it will take some pressure, but with some, it won't. And it does depend how many layers you have on, how hard you'll need to press down to get it off. Oops, sorry. Especially if you have waved or crickled fingernails. So, I have those. Like, you know how it's a little wavy? I like to do all of one color first. I don't know why, but I'm just weird like that. I like to get every bit of it off because, well, that's me. But you see how easily it can come off? That's the funny part about nail polish. Now we're going to do the blue. This nail polish kind of turns your finger blue. So there we go, I got the clean fingers. Now we'll do my other ones. I'll do my thumb first this time. Because for me, it's my hardest. Especially with my left hand. Sorry, okay, I'll just move on. Alright. Now we'll go on to my finger. Point of view. Okie dokie. Now, I'll do the blue. Okay. Well, the next video will be about how to paint your nails, but this is how to clean them. So, goodbye.